the back. Are you guys ready to keep this party going all the way around the park? Hey, where did everybody go, Jeff?
The party must be somewhere.
Well, I think I see the party on the sideline. Are you guys feeling inspired to run this race here?
Perhaps not.
Maybe a few of you. Oh, look, 2 people just jumped from the crowd. They're going to do it. They're in. Next year's resolution is show up on time.